Well, I'm a man, and we know exactly what to do with these when we see them. Does it have to go a certain way, or am I going to back myself into a corner? Oh yeah, that clipped in there. Rule number 1, try less. I think it's time to fire this guy up. Hello, ladies. Oh yeah. The unboxing. Let's take a quick look at these components, because things, I gotta say, look very precise, laser engraved, and it's fairly intuitive on what we got going on here. You can see the craftsmanship, and I gotta say the gauge of this is quite nice. Like it is solid stuff. And let's see how intuitive it is. I've never put one of these together, but I wanted to do it without looking at the manual, because, well, I'm a man, and we know exactly what to do with these when we see them. So let's see how it goes. Look at that, it's got nice little instructions there, shows you how things are supposed to perform, and I gotta say the precision on this stuff is incredible. So let's see how it goes. We're gonna throw this thing together. 2 side pieces, obviously, that's fairly straightforward. Any person with a look at that, it goes right into there. Gonna make this easy and intuitive for us is what I would hope for, because in a situation where the kids are panicking, you got to get the pancakes on the rocket stove. You do not want to be thinking about how to put this thing together. Now my concern would be, does it have to go a certain way, or am I going to back myself into a corner? I have a feeling we're about to find out.
A few moments later.
It says to have it pull forward and must be firmly in place. So I must be in the right spot. Let's find out. Oh yeah, that clipped in there. There we go. Okay, I was just trying too hard. Rule number 1, try less.
The less you do, the more you do.
Oh, look at that. So you just give that a little pull on the back and it locks right into the feet. Now I gotta say, that's feeling solid. That's like right together there now. There's nothing taking that guy apart, which is great. Next set of pieces, let's see here. Let's start with the obvious one. Now I say obvious because the holes on the top of this guy match the top of this guy. And I'm gonna go ahead and say that's gonna pop right in there. If I line the hole up correctly. There we go. Let's get a little better angle on that guy. Look at that sexy piece of craftsmanship right there. Now I think this part's going to be... There we go. I was going to say it didn't sit square. Look at that. It's because I didn't firmly pull the tab. Okay, let's see here. This guy... looks like airflow comes through here. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm going to assume that allows air to flow into the burn box. So that's got to be there. Huh, nailed it. And then we got the top plate here. Got to be the one. Is that the right one? Does it? Yeah, no, that's the one. There you go. Is it going to slide right in there too like a dream? I'm not quite lined up there. There we go. Again, you just have to try less. That's rule number 1.
Do less.
And then that leaves one last piece. And I'm going to assume that's just going to slide in there too. Now I'm going to try less hard on this one because I tried too hard on the last one.
Well, you got to do more than that.
That's it. You just don't want to try, and then you're good. Okay, and then we got this guy. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Everybody saw those ones right when I first started this review. Take a look. That's just gonna pop right in there, like butter. Look at that. Now the cool thing about this, what I like, it's got a bottle opener for one. Can't go wrong with that. Little multi-tool built in there, and then this is actually the damper. So when you pump that right through here, it's gonna lock into place. Now you got full controllability of the heat output on this and the flame size, just by pulling that and allowing more air into the burn box. And then, of course, this doubles as a tool to pick around in there if you got to fix up your fire, clean up the logs, or poke around in there with the logs. But there you have it. Look at that sexy unit, I gotta say. It's a fine piece of craftsmanship. I think it's time to fire this guy up, get it burning. Hello, ladies. Did you say something? Did you say something? Hello. Thank you for the goodies. Oh, thanks, Noah. Good, 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 good. Oh, yeah. Some of that sizzle.
Dad, can you make me another egg?
Yeah, go get some eggs from the coop.